Hey guys, this is Brittany. Aislinn. Well, as most of you know, we love Subway. We were being silly a second ago, and she said, "Hey, we should record this, you know?" So we're like, "Okay, let's record it." Well, we did a cheers to Subway, so this is what we did. Cheers to Subway. Wait, yeah, cheers to Subway. We love Subway. We can pick. If our dream comes true, we can already picture ourselves in a private plane doing that. So
with Austin and Alex.
No, with us. Come in, Courtney. Well. Anyway, for the Subway,
we'd like to introduce our friend Courtney. Courtney, get your butt over here and introduce yourself to YouTube.
Hi.
This is the psychomaniac who chased us around Brittany's room
with a shoe,
with two boots,
and a pair of baby safety shoes.
Scissors, a nail, safety pin, and a knife. You don't want to mess with her. Anyways, if you're watching this, Austin and Alex, we got Subway.
Oh yeah, Austin and Alex, if y'all watch this, now we got Subway in your face.
Beat that. Oh, and also, me and my friend are wishing that we could be in LA.
Or Miami.
Yeah, well, not Miami, because we don't want to stalk them. Alright, well,
hey, y'all bring Rosie over here. Let's introduce her to YouTube.
Yeah, what about her in her dress? Hold on. But tonight at 8 p.m. or something, there's like a contest. And whoever wins that contest gets a record deal. So
not really, I just wanted to play a prank on her.
She tricked me. I will bite you, Brittany.
Have you had your rabies shot yet, though?
Well, gee, thanks, Mom.
I didn't want her to give you rabies.
Sure.
That's why I asked her if she had a rabies shot yet.
Serious face. Hey, serious face while eating a chip.
Hold on. Woo, my hair.
I have like a slightest idea while we're videoing this while we're eating food. I have like no idea.
Why are we filming our eating?
I'm not good.
That food just fell out. Because we got food, y'all.
Hey, chip cheers.
Bye. Bye.
Hey, look, I see myself.
Not it.
Well, anyway, YouTube, if you're watching this, go to Subway.
Subway, eat fresh.
Remember, watch our music. Like, subscribe, rate, and comment. Our music. Anyway.
We're two-headed.
I'm a two-headed person. Not really.
You're choking me. Ah, you choked me.
You'd be dead.
Alright, now those people who love Sunkiss. Sunkiss. I got to cut
I think they'd rather
Sunkiss.
have Subway than Sunkiss.
For soda, Sunkiss or Dr. Thunder?
Okay.
You choose. Which is your favorite, Sunkiss or Dr. Thunder?
Let's do a contest. Who likes Sunkissed or Dr. Pepper or Coca-Cola or something like that? I don't care.
Yeah, post your
Comment.
favorite. Yeah, post your favorite soda.
Yeah.
Bye.
Peace. Wait, yeah. Peace.
Peace.